And I'm going to share that with you guys right now. Here we go. I've also included the maps, as this is a global phenomena. I've been updating the map over here in the US, as that's where I'm getting the majority of my videos from, of these flashing lights, because that's where the majority of my viewers are from. The map right now in the United States is up to 390 and counting. I have a folder that has over 500 more examples that I'm still working on. Right now, all of the videos that I've received, counting the ones that I've showed you guys and put on the map, counting the ones that are in the folder, are at 900 right now. Unbelievable. And the first video that we're going to check out is from Shreveport, Louisiana, that Misty shared, that was picked up by the local news. Here we go.
Our neighborhood lights breaking off and on. It's creepy.
And you know, I had people try to tell me that these are ballast, they're faulty equipment. Really, guys, these aren't ballast, these aren't LED lights. There's something going on with the power grid. Something is influencing the flow of electricity in some way, shape, or form, and it's popping up in rogue and random places unexpectedly, this time affecting an entire neighborhood and quite possibly more. Misty saw other locations as she was driving towards her neighborhood and then saw that on her Facebook post. Thanks for sharing. Really appreciate that. This next video was sent in by Brian Davis out of Memphis, Tennessee. I've received several videos out of the Memphis, Tennessee area. Some of those videos were from a freeway where there was a couple of miles worth of these lights flashing, like you see right here. This video was sent in by Brian Davis, 4/3 of 2025. A whole row of parking lot lights extending for, what, probably a quarter of a mile? Unbelievable. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if there's something over here going on or not, but at least 4 right here. Again, another example of rogue and random. You never know when or where this is going to pop up. Carmen out of Chandler, Arizona, right out here in my neck of the woods. This video has narration from the night of April 4th, 2025.
And that's been happening everywhere. Yeah, I've been watching MrMBB333, and he has like 300 different places. That's weird, huh?
Yeah.
Great catch, Carmen. And yes, Carmen, you're right. This is occurring all around the world. I want to update you guys on the maps that I've received. I'm still working on the videos, obviously, as I get them every day from all around the world. I want you to notice the difference in the map over here in the United States. The map you're looking at is when I first started keeping track of the various locations of the mysterious flashing lights. This map is from January 19th of 2025, about 3.5 months ago. Look at the difference. There were 40 locations on this map at this time. Fast forward to today, April 6th. This is just in the United States. There's nearly 400. Almost 10 times the amount from January 19th. That's how often this is occurring. And guys, as I mentioned earlier, I have 500 other examples I haven't even got to yet. And I wanted to update you guys with the various maps from all around the world of the locations that I've received personally. Obviously, here in the United States, 390. There's a lot on this map. I mean, they are stacked on top of each other. Nearly 400 on this map. Going to Hawaii, I've received 3 videos from Hawaii. Canada, looking at 12 out of Canada. And I've got more from Canada that I'm still working on. Australia, 8 examples out of Australia, 1 out of South Africa. Going from South Africa over to Europe, I received videos out of France, Germany, Denmark, Norway, Sweden. I've also received several videos out of the United Kingdom. Also, 1 video out of Ireland. I've received a video out of Singapore. I've received a video out of Malaysia. I've received a video from over here in the Mediterranean Sea, off the coast of Lebanon, right out here on the island of Cyprus, occurring there as well. Yes, this is definitely a global phenomena. New Zealand, 2 videos out of New Zealand, and 1 that I'm still working on. Okay, back to the videos. I have a few more that I want to share with you guys. This video has narration out of Oklahoma by Amanda. Here we go.
MrMBB333. This is Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And this is the only building in the area we see with the flashing lights. But the entire
This is Mr.
side,
Mambo's.
yeah, Mr. Mambo's. Flashing lights. Not the whole building. But on both sides. And not all of them are doing it. Here in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Here is another flashing light just across the street from the restaurant that had all the flashing lights.
So 2 examples in the same general area from Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And this next video is out of Miami, Oklahoma, sent in by Adam from 4/5 of 2025. It has narration. Here we go.
Okay, MrMBB333. This is Adam Enox again, one more time. This is actually occurring right in front of my house at a bank. TTCU. This is the second time I've noticed it at the bank. This does not happen all the time. This was not going on last night, but it's happening again.
I mean, this is almost like something out of a movie. You can't make this stuff up. Here's example number 6, sent in by Michelle out of Barbersville, West Virginia, also from April 5th. Noticed a row of lights on what looks like a motel over here or some sort of an office building, just rogue and randomly blinking in broad daylight. And the last example of this video segment's out of South Brunswick, New Jersey, sent in on April 4th of 2025. Was driving around South Brunswick and noticed this light, rogue and randomly, flashing for unknown reasons, and it normally doesn't flash. These flashing lights are trying to tell us a story. We have to interpret that story as I believe it's a sign of something larger.